Pelita MUPAT is here bringing a wave of enthusiasm and character. Our students dive into activities like Arabic speech, first rank, spelling bee, poetry reading, book reviews,
Rasa perutnya sangat sakit karena sudah lama tak BAB.
bookmark design competition, and singing performances. With the theme celebrating diversity, spreading kindness, Pelita MUPAT is more than just an event. It's a celebration of unity, collaboration, and cultural appreciation. We hope this activity can enrich the character of the students in practicing Bhinneka Tunggal Ika in daily life. So thank you for making Pelita MUPAT so memorable. Have a wonderful holiday and see you next year. Salam literasi.